Hey guys, what's going on? Scott Reister out here at Fortage, and you will never believe it. This is just, it's crazy. Huskies are state champions. We're celebrating right now. Everyone. State champions. First time since '82, and nobody ever.
36 years.
36
we get to change the sign.
Okay, awesome. Round up some of your other teammates here. We're doing a live video here, and here's Deja. Deja, you were one of the ones that hit the home run, right?
Yeah, that's my boo.
Deja, all right, talk to me. You guys, Hoover. It's impossible for Hoover to ever win a state championship, right? I mean, that doesn't happen. It's Hoover.
It's a Des Moines school. Like what?
Is this like the ultimate "I told you so," or how does this feel?
Yeah, it kind of feels good to kind of like prove everyone wrong. That everyone kind of doubted us and was like, "Oh, last year was our chance." So like this year, making it here and then winning it's just like crazy. But
what was it like? You had 14 players. You guys only had like 9 or 10 players that ever played softball before, right?
Yeah.
How do you win a championship with that?
Well, we just worked hard and like every day we're in like at the facility or at like the field and we constantly hit and we're like cheering each other on and like making everyone better. So
Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's awesome. Get some of your other teammates right. We got a live video going here. What, all right, is this a sign? Are you guys going home tonight and ripping off the or adding your names? Yeah? All right, did you guys ever actually doubt that this would happen? I mean, you surely had to doubt it when you showed up at practice the first day, right? And there's only like 9 or 10 guys.
We knew that we could, but we didn't think it would happen.
Yeah.
I mean, we didn't even get a home game first round.
Yeah.
We really had to work harder than anyone else, and we earned it.
That's awesome.
We earned all of this.
Yeah.
We earned it all.
All right, what about, let's go look at the trophy over here. Who's holding the trophy over here? It looks like it's heavy. He's been holding it for like 30 minutes.
It's a little baby.
My little baby.
Yeah?
Look at the name. What are we doing?
How many seniors are on the team? Are there any seniors? Only senior. Oh my God! So you got it done. You got it done. All right. So you guys haven't won since '82. So you do like a victory dance, or what did you do? Right, the dog pile. Someone was caught at the bottom there.
Well, I don't think she meant to be, but somebody, like everybody started pushing. Jade fell, then I fell, and
Yeah,
then
Jade only weighs like 100 pounds. So
Jade's like a little feather.
Why are you crying? You should be happy.
They're happy tears.
Happy cheers. All right. So what about for everyone that's like, oh, Hoover? They're not gonna win. We don't have to worry about Hoover, right?
Proved ourselves.
You get that? Are you still alive, or you get squished at the bottom of the pile there?
No, that wasn't me. That was Jade.
Oh, okay.
Same person.
Same person. Same person.
I'm confused. Gotcha. Do you guys have like a Hoover team chant or a Hoover dance or anything that you do?
Well, where are my dogs at?
Is that what you do?
We're team. And then we have. Hey, let's get. Yeah, we also have May Might As Well. May Might As Well.
I don't really understand everything you guys are saying, but it sounds really fun. Yeah. That's awesome. Cool. Do you guys get to keep this? You don't, it's not just for show, right? Yeah. That's awesome. Cool. All right. So you're coming back next year, right? All right, congrats. We'll see you on the news.
Thank you.